So this is the genetics book I've been working on. I started it after my father passed away, which was about 5 years ago now. They were all just blank pages, and I put the lines in myself. I have a glossary in here about genetic terms, like deoxyribonucleic acid, codons, complementary DNA, RNA, karyotypes, lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff. Tandem repeat sequences, yeah, those are awesome. But yeah, it's yeah, you can see the stains from having it open and working on it. But yeah, there's the glossary. Still not completely done yet. And then there's also inheritance terms defined, like autosomal, the alleles, chromosomes, codominance, dominance, double factor, genotype, phenotype, heterozygous, homozygous, sex-linked, recessive, splits, lethal alleles. There are lethal genes in birds. My favorite are the budgies. They're the ones with the lethal genes. If you have a crested, like two crested parents, crested is lethal, so some of the babies will actually be dead in shell. But there's quite a few. But yeah, I did all the lines, wrote everything out. It has the name, the common name, the type, the allele, the inheritance mode. Like this is violet is a V, so it's violet, gray, 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 dark, crested. Then you have your yellow faces and your golden faces, which are blue types. And they're codominant with the blue, and they're really beautiful. You can get what's called a rainbow if you have golden face type 2 opaline dilute. I used to breed those. Those were beautiful birds. But it also has every known mutation of every hook-billed bird. And I only did it on the one page so far, just in case there's more that has to be filled in, because these are what are known so far. But there are definitely more that can be found. Like this is the white iron group of the lovebirds, and if you like the black collared lovebirds, there's barely anything that's been discovered yet. But if you look at the peach-faced lovebirds, they have a lot more. So it's possible for the other lovebird types to end up having more. So there's more space just in case, because this is a book that probably won't ever be done. But it's something that I've been working on, and it's my passion. I absolutely love genetics. So I figured I'd actually just put it on here. But here's your inheritance mode key, the recessive, sex-linked, autosomal dominant, complete dominant, codominant, lethal, semi-dominant, multi-alleles, you know. And there's the cockatiels, some beautiful little cockatiels. I love them. But yeah, there's some empty space in the back for more stuff. And I'm also working on the squares, which are not as easy, because I've been trying to do the ones where you combine different types, like the dominant genes, the sex-linked, the recessive genes, wherever the heck they went. They're in here somewhere, I know they are. They might be right in the back. You know what? Let's try using the bookmark. There they are. Yeah. But there's a lot of those are just the simple ones. And then this one has the codominance and incomplete dominance, and I wrote down what the differences are. Because basically it's like you have a red flower and a white flower, and if it's incomplete dominant, they're pink. But if it's codominant, the baby, or the baby flowers usually are spotted. They're like white with red spots because it's incomplete. But you can use foil, first out or inner last. You don't have to. I mean, it just makes it easier. But I think I had harder stuff in here, but I think I got rid of a lot of that stuff, because I've been trying to work on learning more about putting like a sex-linked recessive gene with the dominant and then doing the square, because it's really hard to do on paper. But I can do it in my head, but when I try to write them out, because you get the percentages like 12.9%. so it's actually a lot of work. But yeah, so yeah, there's extra space for more stuff. But yeah, pages were all blank, and I wrote everything out, and it's just something that I love doing. So yeah, that's my book.